Hi, I'm Dave Biswell. I'm the general manager here at Donnelly Mitsubishi, and I'm joined today by our shop foreman, Matt Hillier, and by Leo Ferrari, one of our technicians. And today we're talking about alignment. Now, when you go to the service department, you'll often find the advisor will ask you, would you like us to check your alignment and fix it if it needs fixing? Why do they say that, Leo?
That's easy, David, because normally the alignment is off.
So Matt, tell me, why would we do an alignment? I mean, what's the benefit to our guests?
The biggest benefit for our guests are the tires are going to last a lot longer. They stay wearing evenly and they run smoother going down the road.
Matt, tell us, what is a wheel alignment?
So a wheel alignment is different than a wheel balance. A balance gets rid of vibrations going down the road, whereas a wheel alignment will adjust the angles of the suspension to keep your tires wearing evenly.
I'm looking at this equipment and it looks pretty technical. What kind of equipment are we using here?
Yeah, Dave, we use the Hunter Hawkeye system for alignments. It is state-of-the-art, best money can buy.
Leo, can you show us how to do an alignment?
Sure, Dave. Let's do it together.
All right.
So what we just did, we removed the pins for the plates so we can relax the suspension and then we can move freely the alignment and adjust into the correct position. So Dave, here what you can see, the alignment is a bit off. Sometimes the guest even can feel it, but the tire is gonna wear uneven. So what are you gonna do now? We're gonna adjust the toe for the correct position so we can have both wheels straight and the car gonna run smoothly.
That sounds amazing.
So here you see Leo is adjusting the tie rod, and that's going to correct our alignment angle that is out.
So now, as we can see, our toe that was off, now it's on the specification and the car is working as designed. While you drive, your tire is going to wear even and smooth.
So guys, tell me, why would a car need an alignment? I mean, what causes the wheels to go out of alignment?
Well, we've all driven on the roads in Ottawa, so we know all about the potholes and the rough road conditions that we have here.
That's true. Leo?
Sometimes we can accidentally hit a curb during the winter, and that can make the car out of the alignment as well.
I've hit a curb. Or I always say my wife's hit a curb. Matt, any other reasons?
Even a small fender bender can cause your alignment to go out.
So there's many reasons why your car might be out of alignment. Probability is, it is.